Most people think you need a laptop to build React apps, but everything you are seeing right now is running entirely on my phone. Live reload, React, no laptop. In this video, I'll show you how to go from a blank terminal to a full React development environment using built your Android phone. Get started is very easy. It's so very easy. You need two things. First of all, you need the terminal and you need the editor. So for the terminal, we're going to be using Termux. Yeah, I'm going to be using Termux for the terminal for Android. Then Acode as the editor, because it gives us Visual Studio like features on Android. Now open your terminal and run this command to ensure your terminal is ready to run React. Now run this command node-v, which means version. Run it. So once you see version 24.50 or any version that you see, that means Node.js is ready and it's installed on your terminal. And we're not going to be using npm create react because it's very heavy for mobile. Yeah, that one is actually meant for laptops because it has much space and RAM to perform and carry out all those tasks. Meanwhile, we're going to be using Vite to create the React project. So just type this command npm create Vite at latest. Then you put the name of the folder, the name of the project. You put the name of the project in front of it. You can name it anything. So I'm going to be using npm Vite project as the name of the project I want to create. Then you click on enter. Then you wait for it to do its thing. Now we're asked to select a framework, so you can choose. Since this video is about React, so I'm going to be choosing the React framework, and I'm going to be using this. I'll use this ij sign, which is there, to move it to the one we want. React. Then I'll click on enter. Select a variant. I'm going to be choosing TypeScript as the variant. Click on enter. Then it asks us again that install with npm and start now. Yes. Use the enter to type yes. So we're going to wait for it to install the dependencies with npm and let it do its thing. Now it's currently installing the dependencies with npm. Now the installation is complete. Now it has already given us the local development URL. So we're going to copy. You copy that and open your browser, then paste it. As you can see, it has installed and it already built our React project structure and everything that we need to start building a React apps and project on our Android. Now the next thing is to open the project structure and the files in the visual editor, which I'm going to be using Acode for. Now you click on this hamburger menu over here. Then we go to this find files icon. Then we click on open folder. Now to add the project, using the name. So now since we use Termux, so we'll click on this add sign, then click on add paths, then select a folder. So if you installed Termux and you already set up the storage, so Termux will show in this place. Then click on Termux. Since I'm using Ubuntu, so I'm going here. I click on Ubuntu. I go to root. Then I'll find the project. Now, as you can see, this is the project here, npm Vite project. I'll click on that. Then I'll click on use this folder. Then allow. As you can see, this does a confirmation. Then if it's correct, then click on OK. Now this is the project npm. So you select that. As you can see, it has already successfully loaded all the files inside. You now click the mark sign. Then this little advertisement will pop up, we can skip it. Then now it starts to confirm that listing all files in npm project. Too many files may crash the app. Just click on OK. Then you tap on it like this. Then it should show us all the files inside the project. So then we can now start editing. So if you click like this, you can see it's open, just like how you see it in Visual Studio Code. So open the menu again. Then we go to this source folder here and we click on app.cs. Then we can now go to one part there and let's edit and see if it updates in the browser. Now let me change this get started. Let me change this get started and put it is working. And we save it. Let's go to the browser and see if it updates. As you can see, as we enter the browser, it updates immediately. And you can see it has changed from get started to it is working. So if you go to the terminal, you see what happened in the background. As you can see, HMR update source app.tsx. So it has already updated, meaning that it's working properly, no errors and no issue. So you can start building your React apps and React projects on your Android. Now this is the proof that you can run a React project on your Android phone. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to click on the like button and click on the subscribe button to get more ways to build stuffs on your Android phone, which you can actually do on your laptop as well, doing it on your Android phone. So don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe button to get more updates and acts like this. Thanks for watching.